Trauma is not the events. Trauma comes from the Greek word for wounding. So trauma is a wound that you sustain. And you can be wounded without catastrophic events, where people aren't doing bad things to you necessarily, but the good things that should be happening are not happening. So you can hurt people by hitting them. You can also hurt people by not giving them water, so not meeting their needs. In that sense, we have certain emotional needs as human beings that this society not only fails to meet, but actually tramples on very deliberately and very chronically. So a lot of children get traumatized, not just by what happens to them, but by what doesn't happen to them that should have happened. Trauma, again, is not what happened to you, it's what happened inside you as a result of what happened to you. Recognizing what trauma is as an internal psychological wound with manifestations in your body actually allows you to heal it.